Going this way, Chris.
See, this is problem here.
It's for children only.
Is that what you say?
No, but that's all you can assume, isn't it?
That'd be a few quid, that out.
Aye. See if we can find these waterfalls. I mean, they've got to be around here somewhere. That's where the river is. Thank you. And here's where the pay and display car park is. So they're bound to be bound to be where somebody can make a few quid by making you pay to see them, aren't they? On the way up I noticed a road called Linton Falls. It's one here, I think. That also said, with no access to Linton Falls. Ah, it's down there. There's no double yellows.
I'll have a look.
Oh yeah. Chris beat me to this bit and said, it looks like a blooming weir. I think that bit is a weir. I have a feeling that over there is a falls and it's dry on the bits that matter. But we've seen another way in. So I'm going to wander around and see if we can see a bit more. I like this little bridge. Oh, there's a bit more going on down here. You can definitely tell there would normally be more water. This side looks like it'll give a better view. Yeah, from what I've read, normally you'd have water crashing all over all of this, rather than just that bit through the middle. But at least there's some water there still, which is nice.